Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start now by identifying exactly what D represents and why it failed. Be specific. Once done, power down and ground yourself to avoid damage, and make sure to document connections with photos so reassembly is accurate. Then remove access panels and take a quick visual scan for burnt components, loose screws, or corrosion. You should also ensure you have the correct replacement part and basic tools ready. This avoids mid-repair delays and prevents mistakes when you reach the core repair steps. You continue by working methodically through disassembly while keeping your photos and labels visible. This maintains orientation and prevents lost screws. Once components are exposed, test circuits with your multimeter for continuity, resistance, and expected voltages so you can isolate the fault. Make sure to compare readings to known good values or the device service manual. When a reading deviates significantly, mark that component for replacement. Also inspect solder joints and connectors closely, because intermittent faults often hide in cracked solder or bent pins. You finish by installing the replacement part carefully, seating connectors fully and repairing any damaged solder joints. Take your time to avoid cold joints. Once reassembled, using your photos as a guide, tighten fasteners to reasonable torque and double-check that no tools or loose parts remain inside. Power up gradually and run functional checks against the original symptom list if the issue persists. The main troubleshooting tip is to swap in a known good module or substitute components one at a time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.